Guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I wanted to do a quick tip video here. This is probably my sixth gate using these Adjust-A-Gate kits, and these are the kits that they sell at Home Depot. And I just wanted to show a couple of tips here, just from my experience building gates and some of the things I've learned. When you're doing a gate, I did a video, I don't know, a week or two ago about same double gate setup here, and I changed up my strategy here when I'm doing my gates. I put in a big old chunky 6x6 as the gate main post, and I gotta say I have a lot more confidence in this system. Now obviously it makes sense that a thicker post you're gonna have less play in the in the structural rigidity of what it's trying to do, but I gotta say, when I built this, I wasn't expecting this result. That's why I'm doing this video, but I made real good sure that this post was perfectly level. And the reason why is because I'm gonna have cars back here, and if these gates are off a little bit front or back, what they'll do is they get heavy when you skin them with the board on board, and what they do is they want to swing automatically to one direction or the other, and what that's going to do is cause a gate to smack right into a car. So I decided to take a extra amount of time here putting these in, and I put in 100 pounds of concrete on each post, so 2 bags of that Sakrete fast set, and I didn't touch it for 2 days. I let it set for 48 hours, and it really does show a difference. There is no play in this post at all. And all I did was, oh yeah, when you're installing these gate pivot hinges, make sure you really use a combination square and square up your hole. So right about before you're gonna drill, I always hold this against the drill to make sure I'm perfectly 90 degrees. And that ensures that this 90-degree hinge pin is perfect, because if you drill it a little bit higher, a little bit low, you'll have an alignment issue when you're trying to hang the gate. So doing it this way, if you look, this thing is dead level, and it's cantilevering out from that hinge about 64 inches, I believe, out the side, and that's just impressive. And it does not want to walk left or right once it's hung. So I want to this video really is the point to show that if you use a 6x6 post and you really let it set up for a long time, you'll really get a nice, perfectly straight up and down leverage point or swing point for the gate. And I think it's going to make for a lifetime of, well, at least a lifetime of this wood and this gate, for easy swinging back and forth without it sagging to one way or the other. So, but these gates are going to swing outward. I have kind of a slope that goes downward here, so it was pretty important that they don't just get all crazy. I did the same attention to this post as well, 100 pounds on a 6x6, and it really, you can tell the difference. That's just a regular old 4x4, or a 3.5 by 3.5, and that's a 5.5 by 5.5 6x6 common. So just want to do this video. If you guys are building double gates, I strongly advise you to spend, let's see, a 4x4, my area here in Florida, about $7, $7.50. A 6x6 is about 18 bucks. So, better than double the money, for a better post. But man, what a difference it's going to make. It makes building these things so much easier too, because you don't have the hassle of the post wobbling all the time. So anyway, hate to talk your head off, but want to do a quick video on this. I also just got done redoing this whole fence line back here by the shop, and it goes all the way down, and it came out really well. I was able to recycle about 4 or 5 posts from the old fence, which is nice, so I don't have to just keep buying new. So yeah, if you guys are following the channel, I'm building this area out to start doing more car videos and stuff, and wanted a little bit more privacy back here. So anyway, little gate tip: use a square, use a 6x6, use 100 pounds of concrete, let it set for 2 days, and you will thank me later. So thanks for watching, guys. Rate, comment, subscribe.